He's gonna paint it. We're not telling you till it comes back. What color? Right?
It's a surprise for now.
It's a surprise. What's up, everyone? Quick update. Let's show you some progress. Metalwork is mostly complete. We even got the little cooler mounted in there, fresh one. You can see Mark made some fresh intercooler tubing, intake tubing, whatever. We are that much closer to painting this. Right now, I had made a little dimple plate and Mark punched the dimples in it right now, and then he's gonna TIG weld it, which that thing goes right here. He has it right here. So we're gonna put that on. That's like the last piece of metal work we're gonna do. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna get everything taken apart off of here so that we could spray paint this, because I got where you can get your own custom spray paint mix. So I got like this same color, so we can just do that in-house real quick here on this tubing work. We gotta mount some doors. I gotta show you those doors. I'll show you right now. And we gotta mount side skirts, and then we have a couple tabs to fix. They go like behind here on the front fenders. Then maybe there's something we're forgetting, but mostly that's what we gotta do. Then it goes to paint at JV Auto Body. So these are some doors that we had custom made, and I have molds for these now, so I could sell these. Like I can make it carbon fiber, fiberglass, or if I wanted it to be Kevlar, it could be. So the outside is just gonna be carbon or fiberglass, because you know that'll get painted black, and then the inside is carbon fiber. So basically over the next couple of days, we gotta get these mounted, get the door handles mounted and drill a hole through that so the cable can come through, get everything ready to go, and then paint some stuff on our end and put the body panels on. Probably put them on, make sure it works good, and take them back off, because I think when we paint this, we're gonna paint everything, you know? So like, even this might need to be off, yeah. All right, getting close, and then we can drive this car again. Quick update. Pulled everything off. Mark's welding some tabs. Gonna paint this part gray. Some of this stuff will be black. These are all the removable pieces. This would end up being gray. Everything else black. So then, we were gonna paint this right now, but then we realized we gotta cut a hole in the hood for the dump tubes. It's gonna make a lot of fiberglass dust, so we're probably gonna pull the car down, drive it out, and do fiberglass work. And I could hang this stuff up and paint it in the back. But the car portion of the paint might have to happen tomorrow. Not that bad though.
Mark, what are you doing with the doors?
Cutting the doors to fit the car. We had to drill out all these holes to be able to mount the hinges and all the hardware to get the door to open and close. And then now we're gonna trim the door inside to fit the door bars. So if we go an inch, right?
Just do half inch.
Yeah, I'm thinking we'll do half inch. If we go an inch,
see what happens.
If we go an inch, then it's
so what I did before is I did that, cut that out, break it out, falls out, and then I glue taped this in, put the door back on, and tried to close the door. Finished product is this weird, ugly looking thing. But the reason it has such a big footprint is because it goes inside the door. The mirror, I have to drill these holes out pretty big. And I have to drill a center hole because the middle of the mirror has, really don't want to destroy this mirror completely and cut the wiring out for the power mirror, like the motor in there. Who knows, one day, just don't want to ruin it. And the reason this is so big is so that it doesn't fall. You have a lot of weight right here, and it's gonna be like kind of pulling down on the door. So this is like giving it a large footprint. So it's gonna disperse the weight on this fiberglass panel. More of the weight is gonna be pulled on this part right here, but still like it'll help disperse it, and this kind of follows the curve of the door. So these are M8 bungs, just larger than this stud was. it's not actually threaded there, you still put a nut on there and tighten it down. And so then this will get sandwiched between the fiberglass of the door and pull on it, and it'll just stay put in that area. But I just have to drill a lot of holes right now. So I'm gonna do that, and then we can show you guys after I've drilled the holes how it like fits together. All right, finished product right here. Pretty sturdy. Pretty excited about these actually, because every time we've had fiberglass doors in the past, we would just go, okay, it's too much weight, and didn't have like a design, you know, kind of figured out. Like I finally said, like, let's just make this happen. So when I was working on this earlier, Mark had installed some lighter weight mirrors on these other carbon doors that another customer had. So then finally, after seeing that, I came up with another little like larger footprint one to make the stock mirror, because now you'll actually be able to see, because without mirrors it kind of sucks. But there you go, now we have mirrors. Today's the day for paint. This guy's stripped down to nothing. Pressure washed it over the weekend. I didn't pressure wash everything. I kind of did, but I didn't like do soap and stuff on this. That's not getting painted. We're just painting this rear plug, the main part of the chassis, where you see blue is now gonna be the new color, and all the body panels. So we have like that tube front stuff that's done. I sprayed that. We are going to paint all these panels up. Doors, full kit, rear bumper, front bumper, everything. That's all getting ready to go over to see JV Auto Body. JP's gonna paint it for us, so I'm gonna load the car on the trailer and head over there right now. Time to roll up. We are here at JV Auto Body, and I'm gonna leave you with JP, and that's it. You don't get to know what color it's gonna be. JP's not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you. What's up, JP? He's gonna paint it. We're not telling you till it comes back. What color, right?
It's a surprise for now.
It's a surprise.
Several days later.
How's it going, everyone? I'm gonna get in the truck right now. I'm gonna head over to JP's, because JV Auto Body just painted baby blue. It's a new color. We're gonna go pick it up and surprise you guys. So let's go hook the truck to the trailer and go get it. Okay, we're over here. Check it out. It's a whole new car. A little bit of dust, but this is gonna be cool. Wow. It looks kind of beautiful. Even without panels on front, hood, hatch. Oh my God. Can't wait. It's gonna look so good. We gotta load up some other parts and load the car up. We're black and white right now, and they have no idea what color it is. We put him on the spot. He doesn't know what to tell you guys because he wants it to be a surprise. But he did paint the car in basically a week.
Yeah, week and a half or something like that.
Yeah, JP knows how to knock it out every time. It's kind of crazy.
We work here day and night.
Oh man.
Like we're slaves right here.
No, he's not. He just did a favor. Why did he say that? All right, we're not showing you guys the color till the end of this movie. Tell JP thank you. Back from paint. Here's Mark. He's working with 1950s tools that are in black and white. Installing these new doors, installing all the body panels. We got some stuff powder coated in the engine bay, make it look all beautiful. And then stuff like the vent for the hood and whatnot here. We're gonna reinstall the hatch. Get this car all back together. Check this out. Look at that. The Rad Industries doors are here, guys. Carbon interior. Fiberglass exterior. This one needs some, if you guys remember, a little bit of smashing went on here. So I think the door rubs, and then this accidentally got painted. It's a little sticky, so we were gonna kind of sand that down or wire wheel it possibly so the door will close better. So we got all these pieces to put on the front, headlights, everything else and whatnot. We'll get started on that. We got some time lapse going. Oh, I do need to rob one part out of this car. I think door handle for what Mark's working on right now. And then Mark could finish this side. Then it should be quick work to assemble the rest of the car. And we could drive it later probably. Think we got some side skirts to put on and some back wheels to put on. Overall though, it's close. Oh, there's a mark. Still gotta put the wire harness on, hood pins on, couple things, front bumper, but super close. We're gonna keep installing stuff and then we'll show you guys completed product at the end of the day. All right guys, we did it. Baby blue looks like a brand new, beautiful Supra. You guys are only seeing black and white. Unfortunately, we're never gonna tell you what color it is. You guys are gonna have to go to the next event. Oh my God, it looks good. What the heck, it looks good. Let's just put a license plate on this and have it be the daily. Holy crap, Mark, what have we done? All right, let's see if it can move under its own power. All right, there it is. Now you guys get to know what color it is. What do you think? Mark and Turbo are both here looking at it. Turned out really, really nice. We went black because we've never had a black drift car. We're gonna put a little bit of livery on it later, but for now, it literally looks like a street car, and we're going to put some sponsor decals on it, but there's no livery, so might have to rename it, I don't know, but check out those doors, guys. So cool. Only thing is they're a little sticky, gotta get slammed. And they're lightweight. Super cool. Let's look under the hood. A little bit hard to open the hood when I'm holding the camera, but it's all clean and back to normal. Just improved a little bit. Turbo approves. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Now we're gonna go drift it at the next drift event, probably in about a week, because we're off to SEMA soon. There's the new baby blue, but it's a different color. We even brought Carlos over here. He's thinking about switching Odie's car over to a 2J. Maybe two of them, I don't know. All right, see you guys.